Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Grandpa Ken. Happy birthday to you.
We hope you had a really nice birthday.
Hey!
Sorry, this is kind of a late message. We love you and we miss you.
I love you. Birthday.
We hope to see you soon.
Today we are getting married. Oh, hello. Oh, hello.
Henry had a little spill and hit his head, so he's really pale and kind of sad right now. Can you say hello?
Hello.
Say happy? Happy
Say happy
birthday to Grandpa Ken. Very good. Okay.
Hi, I'm Grandpa Ken, and this is my wife, Grandma Susan, and we are married. And we are married, and today is my birthday. And I love Grandma Susan, and so we are having a cake today, and we're giving a birthday party to celebrate my birthday. Bye bye.
And I'm going to do my special trick.
Called a kickstand.
Bye bye.
Okay, put your legs back there and face me. Watch out.
I'm going to do my special trick, and it is called a kickstand. Jinx.
Very good.
No one else can do it like
And I am going to get out of the...
You guys try
And
to
I'm
do it.
going to do my...
No, you guys try to do a kickstand.
Okay.
Prove that you guys can't do it.
Hold on, that was... I tried.
That's because Nan is little.
It's fun to do a kickstand. It's fun.
Good try, Nan.
Oh, Bubby's gonna try. Bubby's gonna try to do a kickstand. Now I'm gonna try my special trick. Bubby's gonna try. No, guys, Bubby's gonna try. Henry, try and do this kickstand.
Okay, everybody sit down. Woo!
Okay, I want to do my special jump wheel. I'm doing my jump wheel. I'm doing my jump wheel. Everyone sit down. Jump wheel.
Very nice. Very good.
Lily, it's your turn to do the trick.
No, I think it's Anna's turn.
No, Anna already did hers. Lily didn't do hers.
Well, everybody's had a turn. Okay, let's say goodbye to Grandpa and Grandma.
Say
goodbye. Good night.
In the summer.
Bye.
Special goodbye.
Bye. Oh.
Special goodbye.
Henry, say bye-bye. Bye-bye, Grandpa.
Tomorrow.
Mom, I have a special goodbye. Good. I went like this.